Hi, come on in. If you love all things crochet, then you are in the right place. And today I'm going to show you how to crochet this lovely sedge stitch. Now, it looks the same on the front as it does on the back. It's a really easy, quick make. It's a one row repeat, so very, very simple. Everything you need for this will be in the description box down below, along with some other links that you might find interesting. And if you don't have everything that you need, then just pop this on your watch list and you can come back when you do. So I'll put the wool that I'm using today again in the description box so that you can find that. And we are going to start with a slip stitch on our hook. So put the wool into a loop, your hook through, wool over, pull it through, and just pull it tight. So simple to do. And then we're going to have some chain stitch. Now it's in multiples of 3, the foundation chain. You put your yarn around and pull it through that loop, yarn around, pull through the loop, that's 2, yarn around and pull through the loop. Now when you're starting, you hold this part here, the wool that's down here, and then you slowly move your fingers up to keep the tension the same, so that you keep your tension the whole way up your foundation row. Now I've made 3 so far. It's in multiples of 3. You make your foundation row of chains in the size that you require for the project that you need. I'm just going to make a short swatch for this so that I can show you what to do, and I will make 21, and I'll see you back when you've done what you want to do. So I've made my small swatch of 21, and we're now going to work into the second chain from the hook. Now we don't count the one on our hook, so we have 1, 2, and that's the one we're going to work into. And into that chain we are going to make a half treble UK terms or half double crochet US terms. So yarn round, in through that chain, yarn round and pull back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn round and pull through all 3. We're now going to work into the same chain stitch again, and we're going to make a treble UK terms or a double crochet US terms. So yarn round in that same stitch, yarn round, pull back through that 3 loops again, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round and pull through 2. Now we're going to skip 2 chain stitches, so that's 1, 2, and work into the third one. Oops, 1, 2, and work into that third one. And we're going to work double crochet UK terms, single crochet US terms. So put your hook through, pull up that loop, you have the 2 loops on your hook, yarn around and pull through both. We're going to work into the same stitch, and we're going to do another half treble or half double crochet US terms. Whoops, yarn around, in through, yarn around, pull back, yarn round and pull through all 3, and then a treble or US double crochet, 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And that's really what we're going to be doing the whole way along. Missing out 2, putting that UK double, US single first, then the UK half treble, US half double in there, then a treble or a US double crochet in the next. I will put this on the screen for you so that you can see it, and you work that the whole way along until you come to your last stitch, and I'll meet you back there. So I've worked those clusters the whole way along until I've come to my last stitch, and we've just worked that into the stitch before. And in this last stitch we're going to work this last stitch right here, the last chain stitch. We're going to work a UK double crochet US single. So get those 2 loops and then pull through both, and that's what you have as your last stitch. Now you can change wool here if you want to for a different color. I'm just going to make it in the one color, and I'm going to do 1 chain and then turn our work. Now into the stitch right here, into what was your UK double, US single crochet, we are going to work a UK half treble, US half double, and a UK treble, US double crochet. You're going to miss out the next 2 stitches and working in to your next one with a UK double crochet, US single, again the same grouping as we did on the other side, and then a UK half treble in the same stitch, or a US half double crochet, pull through all 3, then a UK treble, US double crochet, and that's your grouping your whole way along. That same grouping of those 3 different stitches into that one stitch. So you're missing out the 2 and working in to your next one right there. And this is what you're doing the whole way along. And you do that until you get to your last stitch again. And I will meet you back there. Again, it'll be on the screen for you. I'll meet you at the end of your row. So I finished that, and that's for the last stitch. I've done my skipping 2 and making my group the whole way along. So in our last stitch right here, we will make a single crochet, chain 1 and turn, and that is your same row repeat for the whole way up. And again, I will show you that, oops, you're making your half treble and then a treble, skipping that 2 and working into that one to make that same group the whole way along. And that is as simple as the stitch is. Comes out really well. Skipping 2 and making that group again into the next stitch. Finish that other row, and then you simply put your final stitch in of that UK double crochet, US single, and you chain 1 and turn again if you need to for another row. Simple as that. Lovely easy stitch. If you've enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe. Take a look on my channel for more ideas and tutorials, and let me know what you're working on in the comments down below. Thank you for joining me and keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.